What's up, guys? This is Corp TZ Nation 87. Today, yeah, I'm filming two videos on the same day because I don't know when I'm going to be free again because I got to go to work. So probably how I schedule this will probably be the automotive car show that'll be coming up soon. Either regarding which video goes up. This might go up first, or the Philadelphia Auto Show might come up first. I don't know. But what's going on, guys? Today I wanted to start a video about why I picked the wheels that I picked. Why I picked the wheel and tire setup that I picked. Man. Once she's done, she's going to look pretty fucking sexy. It's gonna be great. You really perfect. Really perfect. Let's make this happen. Pure sex. Now, the way that I picked the wheel and tire setup. All right, I went with 18 inches. Why I went with 18 inches? Because I went with the wheel and tire setup because of the fact of how it's 18 inches and their track performance, and plus, not to mention, since this is pretty much, if you look at this is pretty much a daily, it's a daily, but well, not really daily. Not really a daily. Sorry, I'm trying to move it down right so you guys can get the right picture. Not only is it a daily, but, well, kind of a daily, but it's also a track car. What I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be doing performance modifications, and I'm doing the drifting, pro touring. I will put it on the drag strip. I will put this on the drag strip, but for right now it's more or less a drifting and pro touring build because I want to get her around. It's also a circuit build too, because I want to get her into circuits like the slipstream events and stuff like that. I want to get her on that. Sorry, trying to fix it right so it looks kind of presentable, because it's not looking presentable every time that there we go, this is better. But the reason why I went 18 inches, like I told you before, because it's going on the track, and there's no better other way to put something on the track that has an 18-inch wheelbase. Now, 20s are okay. I was thinking about 20s, but due to the fact, because it changes the rotating mass a bit, and plus, not to mention, it's a bit heavier, I wasn't going 18s. Plus, not to mention, 20s is not a good way to have a track setup. 20s is okay. Like Stang Mode had made a comment, had said something a couple of days ago, well, about a week ago or something, regarding about he thinks that the new 2019-2018 Mustang GTs should be 19 inches. He doesn't really recommend 20 inches because he said, like he said, it may look nice, but the drivability, no go. And it's going to be like a rough ride. So that's why I decided to go with 18s. Now, the reason why I chose XXR, which I really wanted to get, I'm going to keep that for a surprise. But this was a affordable setup of what I wanted to get. XXRs, I've been seeing these for a long time now, and there was another tire, but this is another wheel, but sorry. There was another wheel that I wanted to get, but I was way out of my price range. So I went with this, which is the second best thing, and I've seen these for about a year now. And once I've seen them, I fell in love with them because they look exactly like the wheels that I want, but can't afford just yet. So I went with this as my second option, and I don't regret it. And I went with a black chromium. I didn't want it to go black like everybody else does. Everybody else went. Because everybody else is going black. I don't agree with the black because it is played out and everybody does it. I didn't go with chrome. Way too shiny. You can see this is shiny enough. It's actually a little bit too shiny, but it's definitely doable. That's the reason why I went with that. Now, this is $275 all around. Like I said, this was an affordable setup. Well, a little bit of affordable setup. Little bit out of my price range, but it was definitely doable. So I made it happen. At the time, I was working a good job. Well, an okay-ish job, but I was bringing about $520 a week. So therefore, I could afford it. So I made it happen in about a month. Maybe no, actually, because I bought food and other stuff. About 2 months. Because this wheel and tire setup cost me, I lost my receipts. This would be a great time. That's why everybody says keep your receipts. The tires were, if you throw on tax, shipping, and everything, the tires were $700 and the wheels were $1,100. So that's $1,800 that I spent for the wheels and tire setup. People are gonna be like, "Oh my God, $1,800! I didn't think you put that." Yeah, I didn't even get into the engine bay, and I will say that, and I will go over the whole cost of how much everything costs later on in the video when she gets running. But, and plus, not to mention, if you look at this and then check this out. It's also the 15% window tint that I'm also putting on the car. So that's gonna be crazy. And sorry, I am watching right now. This. It's about the line lock. Definitely getting one. Later in the future, I'm definitely getting one. But yeah, the initial tires that I wanted to get for 2 tires were about $700. 2 tires. So I didn't have that, so I went with this one. However, later on in the future, the 2 tires for $700 will be replaced with this one. I'm not going to say the tire, but I will say the size that I'm going to go with, because right now it is $275 all the way around, but that will be a $285, and this will be a $315 or $325. Just letting you know that one. Or I might go with a $295 up here. Not for sure yet, but for safe purposes, until I roll the fender, I think I'm going to go with a $285. Because it's a $275 right now, and I think I'm going to go with a $285. But yes, that is a reason why I chose the wheels and tire setup for this car. Now, like I said, I'm taking her to the autocross. It's not really built for autocross, but yeah, I'm taking her to the autocross. I am drifting her. We are going to go through the slipstream events. She's going to be doing circuit racing, where you go around the track, that's 1 lap, around the track, that's 2 laps, around the track, that's 3 laps. She's not a straight line car. She's definitely not a straight line car. I can put her in a straight line and I'll stop. Okay, I'll be fine when she hits a 9.4 or 9.3. When she hits a 9.4, 9.3, I'm fine. I don't need to go any faster. She will be getting a roll cage and a couple other things. And I will be doing some extensive things to the body and undercarriage as well. But like I said, I got to move her up here. And if you're seeing in my I want to move it right here. It gives me perfect leverage to work because it's level here, isn't it? Dips down there. But as you see here, if you paid attention to the other videos, that's why I wanted to get her over here. And if you say that, like I said, I'm mixing my words up. If you paid attention to the other videos, you would have seen that I was looking at jack stands of the jack. I was looking at truck jacks just to be safe. Learned that from Adam LZ. Adam LZ, he was like, yeah, he was like, had to have truck jacks just to be safe because you never know. And always have the truck jack underneath the diff to be safe because you never know. I'm out here in shorts. Just letting you know that. Yeah, people were saying, you're a crazy black guy. Yeah, I know, but what people really don't know is I'm actually black, white, and Puerto Rican. I'm not fully black. You won't know that until you see my mom and my dad. But see, my phone's dying. Is my phone dying? Yeah, my phone is dying. And is it recording still? Yeah, it's still recording. So, if you like the content of this video, be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. And tell me, what are your wheels and tire setup down in the links below with your 3rd gen or any of your cars, what you got. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of my links is down at the bottom of the description, guys. It's always down at the bottom of the description. And be sure to subscribe for more of this, because once I get her back there, jack her up, and gonna get her ready, because I don't have tools. But if you see this down here, that right here, I'm gonna show you. Move this right here, like so it doesn't roll down. Show you guys. It's not that one. Which one was it? It's not that one. Oh, there's one of these. Oh, yeah, here it is. She's already loose. I already loosened her up. See? I already loosened her up. So you should see what's the next step. Take care, guys.